A very good morning to all of you. So dear students, today we start our 7th chapter of mathematics, that is multiplication. In this chapter we learn a meaning of multiplication, multiplication tables 2, 5 and 10, story sums on multiplication. So let's start the chapter. So students, first of all, let's recall repeated addition. You know that multiplication is also known as repeated addition. So add the groups and find the answer. Students, see, here we have two books. So I write here 2, again 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 groups of 2 books each. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals to 10. We also write this 5 groups of 2 books is equals to 10 books. We do one more question for your better understanding. Students, see, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we have 6 groups of 2 candies each. हर ग्रुप में कितनी कैंडीज हैं? 2. So I write here 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. So I write here 12. But according to multiplication, here we write 6 groups of 2 toffees each equals to 6 into 2. 6 into 2 equals to 12 is equals to 12 toffees. Similarly, see this question. Again here, first of all count the groups 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we have 7 groups of pencils. Each group contain 3 pencils. So we write here 3 in each box because each group contain 3 pencils. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. जब हम 3 को 7 बार ऐड करेंगे तो क्या आंसर आएगा? 3 प्लस 3 6, 6 प्लस 3 9, 9 प्लस 3 12, 12 प्लस 3 15, 15 प्लस 3 18, 18 प्लस 3 21. So I write here 21. But we also do like this with 7 groups of 3 pencils equals to 21 pencils. 21 pencils in all. Now meaning of multiplication. What is the meaning of multiplication? When we add the same number repeatedly, it is called multiplication. So मैंने आपको पहले भी बोला है कि मल्टीप्लिकेशन का मतलब क्या होता है? रिपीटेड एडिशन ऑफ सेम नंबर. जब हम सेम नंबर को बार बार ऐड करते हैं, जो आंसर आता है सिमिलरली वो आंसर मल्टीप्लिकेशन में आता है. सो मल्टीप्लिकेशन को हम क्या बोलते हैं? रिपीटेड एडिशन. स्टूडेंट्स, लुक एट द एग्जांपल. काउंट द एप्पल्स 1, 2, 3. हियर वी हैव 3 एप्पल्स. 1, 2, 3. अगेन 3 एप्पल्स. 1, 2, 3. 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 एप्पल्स. Here we have 4 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have 4 groups. Each group contain 3 apples. 4 groups of 3 apples make 12 because we know very well that 4 into 3 equals to 12. So we say 4 multiplied by 3 gives 12. और अगर हम इसको 3 को 4 टाइम्स ऐड करेंगे तो क्या आंसर आएगा? 3 प्लस 3 प्लस 3 प्लस 3 इक्वल्स टू 12. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. So 4 times 3 equals to 12. 4 into 3 equals to 12. We read it as 4 times 3 is 12, or 4 3 are 12, or 4 into 3 equals to 12. This is very common. 4 into 3 equals to 12. Okay. Now draw circles to make groups and write the multiplication fact. 4 groups of 5. 4 groups of 5 means हमारे पास 4 ग्रुप्स हैं. Each group contain 5 clips. Okay, so count the clips. 1 2 3 4 5. So make a circle. Like this way. Again count 5 clips. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So students, see, here we have 4 groups. 1 2 3 4. 4 groups. Each group contain 5 pins. So we write here 4 groups. So I write here 4. 5 clips. So I write here 5. 4 into 5 equals to 4 into 5 equals to 20 clips. 4 5s are 20. Now 2 groups of 4. 2 groups of 4 means we have 2 groups. Each group contain 4 balls. So 1 2 3 4. Okay. 1 2 3 4. Here we have 2 groups. Each group contain 4 balls. So I write here 2 because we have 2 groups, and here 4 because we have 4 balls in each group. So 2 into 4, total 8 balls. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay. Next is find the repeated addition statement and place tick against the right ones and cross against the wrong ones. Also write the multiplication fact. So students, see, repeated addition means क्या होता है? Repeated addition means जब हम सेम नंबर को बार बार क्या करते हैं, ऐड करते हैं, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? रिपीटेड एडिशन. सी 8 plus 8 plus 8, similar number is added again and again. Okay, means it is right statement. So okay, now multiplication fact. 3 into 8 equals to 24. एक तो ये हो सकता है. सेकंड 8 into 3 equals to 24. Now students, next 4 plus 4 plus 0. In this question you can clearly see that there is not added same numbers. 0 is different. So this is not a right statement. So I put here cross sign. Next 3 plus 3 plus 3. This is a repeated addition. So okay, and the fact is 3 into 3 equals to 9. This is also a wrong statement. This is not a repeated addition. Now draw balls in the boxes to show the multiplication fact. 3 into 4. 3 into 4 means 3 groups or 3 groups of 4 balls each. 1 2 3. Here we have 3 groups. Each group contain 4 balls. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Similarly, next question, 5 into 2. 5 into 2 means 5 groups of 2 balls each. So, draw balls here like this. Okay. Next question is 4 into 6 means 4 groups of 6. So, similarly, we have 4 groups. Each group contains 6 footballs. So, draw the balls here. Okay. Like this way. Next is multiplication tables. Table of 2. Let's make the 2 times table by counting in 2's. So students, here we can see that, see, here we have 2 pencils, but here we have only one group. One group contain 2 pencils, so I write here 1 and into 2 equals to 2. Count the pencils 1, 2, so equals to 2. Next, here we have 2 groups of pencils. Each group contain 2 pencils, 1, 2 and 1, 2. So, here we write 2 into 2. Now count the pencils, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 into 2 means 4. Okay. Similarly, see this. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we have 6 groups. Each group contain 2 pencils. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. So I write here 6 because we have 6 groups. Each group contain 2 pencils. So I write here 2. Now count the total pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Means 6 into 2 equals to 12. Okay. Now see this. Here we have 10 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's why we write here 10, and each group contain 2 pencils. So I write here 2. Now count the pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Means 10 into 2 equals to 20. Okay. Now jump 2 numbers starting from 0. Starting from 0. 2 numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Next is 12. Next is 14, 16, 18 and 20. 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Okay. Now table 5. Again, here we see the groups. Each group contain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 balls. Okay. But in the first step, we have only one group. So I write here 1 into 5 because in the first group we have 5 balls. So I write here 1 into 5 equals to 5. 5 because here we have total 5 balls. Okay. Next we have 2 groups. Each group contain 5 balls. So I write here 2 into 5. Okay. Now count the balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 2 into 5 means 10. Next, here we have 10 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's why I write here 10. And each group contain 5 balls. So I write here 5. Now count the total balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. It means when we multiply 10 into 5, we get 50. Okay. Now jump 5 numbers starting from 0. Starting from 0, jump 5 numbers. See. Next 5 numbers we reach 10, next 5 15, next 5 20, and next 5 25. So 5 10 15 20 25 30 35 40 45 and 50. Okay, and the last table is table 10. Again, similarly in the previous tables, here we have also groups. Each group contain 10 sticks. Here we have one group, but this one group contain 10 sticks. So I write here 1 into 10 equals to 10. Next we have two groups, 1 2. So I write here 2, and each group contain 10 sticks. So I write here 10. 10 plus 10 equals to 20. It means 2 into 10 also equals to 20. Now 3 groups, each group contain 10 sticks. It means 3 into 10 equals to 30. And similarly, last step, here we have 10 groups, each group contain 10 sticks. So I write here 10 into 10. When we add these 10s, we get 100. You know, multiplication is repeated addition, means 10 into 10 also equals to 100. Okay. Now skip in tens and complete it 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay. Now multiplication properties. Here we have mainly two properties. First is multiplication by zero. It means जब भी हम किसी भी नंबर को ज़ीरो के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो हमारा आंसर ऑलवेज ज़ीरो ही आता है. देयर आर 4 ट्रेज, ईच ट्रे हैज़ ज़ीरो पेस्ट्री. देयर आर 4 ट्रेज, 1 2 3 4. ईच ट्रे हैज़ ज़ीरो पेस्ट्रीज, मीन्स 0 + 0 + 0 इक्वल्स टू 0. किसी भी ट्रे में पेस्ट्री है ही नहीं, तो मतलब ओवरऑल वो उसका आंसर क्या आ गया, ज़ीरो ही आ गया. और मल्टीप्लाई में क्या होता है, 4 टाइम्स 0 इक्वल्स टू 0. सो व्हेन वी मल्टीप्लाई अ नंबर बाय 0, व्हेन वी मल्टीप्लाई एनी नंबर बाय 0, वी गेट 0 एज अ रिजल्ट. द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ एनी नंबर एंड 0 इज 0. ओके. नेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी इज मल्टीप्लिकेशन बाय 1. देयर आर 4 trays. Each tray has one pastry in it. Like, see these pictures. Okay. Now 1 + 1 + 1 equals to 4, or 4 times 1 is 4. 4 into 1 equals to 4. This means that the product of any number and 1 is that number. Means जब भी हम किसी भी नंबर को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, आंसर वो सेम नंबर ही आता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ़ आई मल्टीप्लाई 6 into 1, मेरा आंसर क्या आएगा, 6 ही आएगा. ओके. इफ़ वी मल्टीप्लाई एनी नंबर विथ 1, वी गेट द सेम नंबर एज अ रिजल्ट. ओके. नाउ डबल्स. द डबल ऑफ ए नंबर इज 2 times a number. See, here we have 2 dice. Each dice has one number. 1 + 1 equals to 2, or 2 into 1 equals to 2. Similarly, here we have 2 dice. Each dice has 2 number, 1 2 1 2. So 2 + 2 equals to, इसको हम 2 + 2 भी लिख सकते हैं, 2 into 2 भी लिख सकते हैं. दोनों का आंसर क्या आएगा, 4 ही आएगा. ओके. नाउ स्टोरी सम्स. There are 5 benches in a classroom. There are 2 students on each bench. How many students are there in all? In all, 5 bench. Each bench हैज़ 2 स्टूडेंट्स, 1 2 3 4 5। हर बेंच पे 2 स्टूडेंट्स, इसलिए हर बॉक्स में 2 ही आया है। 2 प्लस 2 प्लस 2 प्लस 2, 2 प्लस 2 4, 4 प्लस 2 6, 6 प्लस 2 8, 8 प्लस 2 10 इक्वल्स टू 10. Or we also write in this way 5 groups of 2 students each. So here I write 5 into 2. 5 into 2 equals to 10 students. Mr. Nair baked 5 trays of cookies. Each tray has 8 cookies. How many cookies did he bake in all? 5 trays of cookies. 5 trays of cookies. So I write here 5. Each tray has 8 cookies. So I write here 8. How many cookies did he bake in all? 5 into 8. 8 times 5 or 5 times 8 equals to 40 cookies in all. Sally packed 10 lunch boxes. She put 4 sandwiches in every lunch box. How many sandwiches are there in all? Number of lunch boxes 10. Each lunch box contain 4 sandwich. So I write here 4. Now how many sandwiches are there in all? 10 into 4 or 4 into 10 equals to 40. Okay. There are 5 boxes. There are 6 chocolates in each box. Number of box 5. So I write here 5. Each box contain 6 chocolates. So I write here 6. Now we multiply 5 into 6 or 6 into 5 equals to 30 chocolates. So students, this is all about our chapter multiplication. I hope you got it very well. Thank you for watching this video.